Okay, hello guys, so this is the Realme 5 or Realme 5i, and in this video I will show you how to do unlock bootloader, plus custom recovery, and also plus custom ROM. Okay, so in this video we're going to use the QASSA custom ROM based on Android 10. Okay, so using this tutorial you can apply it on any other custom ROM that you wanted. If there's any custom ROM that have better performance, you can always use this step. Okay. So for the conclusion, this is a very nice ROM, very stable, not very hot, and you can play Mobile Legend on the ultra settings and high FPS. Okay. We also going to test the root beer, app list detector, safety net, and other stuff, and also test the Mobile Legend. Okay, so all the file and step I will provide in my blog. You can check the link in the description box. If you have any questions, feel free to ask on the comment section. Okay, so stay tuned and check it out. Okay, hello guys, assalamualaikum. We'll meet again with Ombab, and in this video I have the Realme 5i, and we're going to flash the custom ROM in this one. So the process is the unlock bootloader, flash custom recovery, and flash custom ROM like usual. Okay, you can see right here it's using the Android 10. The code name is RMX2030, and it's using the Snapdragon 665. Okay, now let's go to the button. We want to check the operating system. Realme 5i, One UI version 1.0, Android 10. Okay, and it is using the latest build number. You can see right here, RMX2030 version C81. Okay, this is the latest firmware update for this one. Okay, first thing you need to do is enable the developer option by hit the build number 5 times. Okay, and go back again. Go to the additional settings, developer option, and make sure to turn on the OEM unlock in here. Okay, you can also enable the USB debugging if you want to. Done. And next step is to install the in-depth test. I already installed the apps. And you can see right here I already apply for the unlock bootloader. Okay, just install the apps and check the option, and you can check the bootloader status in here, the query verification status, and you can see right here if you successfully, it means that I already success to unlock the bootloader. Okay, so next step, make sure remove all the emails and account, so you will not be stuck if you forget the password and other stuff. Okay, and what else? Make sure you have already installed the driver and other stuff for the computer. And now let's open this one, hit queries verification status one more time, and hit the start in-depth test. Okay, it will automatically reboot to the Fastboot mode. Okay, after this we're going to switch to the computer. Okay, you can see right here the device state is still locked, so we need to do the unlock bootloader again on the Fastboot mode. Okay, let's switch the screen. Okay, so this is the steps, and this is all the file that we needed. Okay, now let's open the PowerShell or CMD if you want to. Okay, open in here and let's follow the step. Okay. boot to bootloader. Okay, now we are in the bootloader. Let's check the device status, if it's connected or not. This type Fastboot device. Sorry, I forgot to connect the USB cable. Okay, let's try again. Fastboot device, and this is our serial number. It means that we already connected to the Fastboot. But okay, now the next step, we need to do the unlock bootloader again by typing this command: Fastboot space flashing space unlock. Okay, and now let's switch to the phone. In here you can see a verification, so navigate using the volume up, volume down. Okay, so we want to unlock the bootloader, so select the unlock bootloader and hit the power button to confirm. Okay, it will automatically restart the phone, and it usually will format the internal storage, so make sure you already back up all the file that needed. Okay, from here you can wait until it boots into the home screen, and you can see right here, now we are in the home screen. So I don't want to go to the home screen. Let's turn off the phone again. Okay, just long press the power button for 3 seconds and scroll down to power off the phone. Okay, and now let's go to the Fastboot mode. Usually Fastboot mode can be accessed by pressing the volume down and the power button at the same time. Okay, and we're good to go. You can see right here. You can see right here, now our device state is unlocked. Okay, so it means that device has been unlocked, the bootloader I mean. Okay, now let's switch again, and this is the code name. Okay, Trinket. Okay, now let's check the connection again. Okay, same serial number, and now we need to flash the custom recovery. Okay, I'm just going to copy and paste this one because I'm too lazy. Okay, and we're going to use the TRP 3.6.2 and hit enter. Next step, make sure to flash the modify PB meta. Okay, and we'll use this one. Okay, done. Okay, so we need to install the PB method just to make sure that the system is not broken. Okay, and then let's put it into the custom recovery. Okay, you can go to the custom recovery from the phone, navigate this from up, volume down, search for recovery mode, and press power button to confirm. Okay. So after this, you need to backup. Okay, always backup EFS and other stuff I forgot. And then you also need to copy the custom ROM. Okay, so in this video we're going to use the QASSA OSS. Okay, this is the hype custom ROM at this time because it's quite stable and it's very good, very stable, and you can play Mobile Legend on high settings. Okay, and next you need to also copy the gaps because this is Android 10 64-bit, so we're going to use 64-bit Android 10. Feel free to use the bit gaps, NIC gaps, and other stuff. But in this video, we're going to use the NIC gaps. Okay, and you can also copy Magisk if you want to. Okay, now let's switch to the phone again. Okay, now we are in the custom recovery. Okay, if you go to the install right here, you can see that it's still encrypted, so you need to do the wipe format data type yes. Okay, and if you fail, just ignore it, no problem. And next step, let's do the backup. Select backup, select storage. I usually backup into the micro SD just to make sure. Go to the option tab, enable compression for a smaller size, and I usually backup the EFS modem and DTBO. Okay, just give it a name. I'll give it a Trinket. Okay, Trinket is a unified name for this device. Okay, swipe it. And when it finishes, we need to wipe several stuff such as the system, vendor, data, Delphic, and gas. Okay, because this ROM is OSS based, so it means it's already include the vendor inside the custom ROM. And now let's go to the wipe, advanced wipe. Select the Delphic, data, gas, system, and vendor. Okay, swipe it. Done. Hit the home button again, go to the install, and navigate where you have copied the custom ROM and gaps. Okay, so I put it in here, and we're going to use the QASSA OSS version 2.2 vanilla base. Okay, swipe it. Vanilla base, it means that it doesn't include the gaps. We already finished blasting the custom ROM. Let's go back, go to the install. This time select the gaps. Okay, so it's using the Unbrick 10, and we're going to use the bit gaps. Sorry, seems that this is 64, so we're going to use this one. Okay, this is the 64 bits, and the one that in here is 32, so let's use the 64 bit. Okay, now it's already done. Let's hit the home button, go to the wipe, and select format data one more time, and then reboot system. Okay, and after this you need to wait. Usually it doesn't take so long to boot it for the first time. It's different from the stock ROM. You can see right here now we have a Android logo replacing the Realme boot logo. Okay, should wait. So now we are in the home screen, and I have installed several apps. Okay, so we have map, root beer, and other stuff. Okay, first thing we need to do, we check the email and baseband as usual, because usually some of you guys will ask. Okay, star sharp 06. Okay, we have our email. It's not a problem with the email. And okay, let's check the device. Okay, all is safe, no problem. The email, baseband, and other stuff. Okay, and let's check the dev check. Right here, Realme 5i RMX2030 and Android 10 security patch July 5th 2023. Okay, very nice. And from here we can see the clock is between 1 GHz to 1.8 GHz, and from 900 to 2 GHz. Yeah, and in here we can see the RAM. It's used 2 GB from total 4 GB. Very nice. And the storage takes about 12 GB from 64. Okay, now let's check the safety of the ROM. Let's check using the root beer. Okay, save no root, so it doesn't include the binary, BCBox, and other stuff. And IP police detector will detect the suspicious and other stuff. Expose module, and we're safe to go. Okay, now let's check the safety net. Safety net is also passed, very nice. So I will assume that it will work on banking and hell riding, such as Gojek, Grab, Uber, and other stuff. Okay, without rooting, you can use that one. Okay, so I already take a picture and video right here. Okay, it's not the best, but very decent, so we don't have problem with that. But the sound quality is not very good, it's very low. Okay, not a problem. Now let's test the sound and video playback. Open my channel and let's play a short video. Let's take a test. Yeah. I like it when the girls stop by. Okay, very nice. So there is no problem with the sound and video playback. Now let's try to test using the CPU throttle, if it's quite stable enough or not. Okay, this is not accurate for stable or not, but at least we have a picture about the stability of the CPU and GPU. Okay, the more stable is better. Okay, stable, it means you don't have to get drop FPS and other stuff. And later we're also going to test Mobile Legend using the ultra settings and high FPS. Okay, very nice, very stable. Okay, let's stop this one and let's check the menu. Right here we have lots of menu. We have keep QASSA for customizing the status bar. Okay, theme and stuff. You can change the button layout, rotation, power menu, other stuff, animation, battery, miscellaneous, notification, lock screen, gesture, and etc. And in here we also have the Realme settings. Okay, same as in your Realme before custom ROM. We have Mi Sound Enhancer, display color calibration, enable USB, fast charge, USB OTA, and other stuff. Okay. Okay, the interesting part about this ROM, it is you can use it on ultra settings on Mobile Legend. So we will give it a shot. Okay, before we open the Mobile Legend, let's check the temperature. The temperature is 36 degrees, and we're going to test Mobile Legend. Okay, I'm not very good on playing games, but we're going to try to play Mobile Legend using the ultra setting on this device. Okay, now I'm opening the Mobile Legend and I have captured the display on the computer. You can see right there in the left corner we have the FPS. Okay, it's about 59 FPS. Okay, so now let's try go to the settings right here and change it into ultra. Okay, and set the high frame rate to high, the graphic to ultra. Okay, let's update. Go back and let's take a test. If it give it ultra settings and no lag. Okay, don't know, let's try it. Let's give it a test. Such game. Okay, so I'm not a good gamer, so this is just for testing. Okay, so bear with me if my gameplay is bad. Okay.
Welcome to Mobile Legends! 5 seconds till the enemy reaches the battlefield. Smash them! All troops deployed! The guns represent time to lay down the law. That once little girl is gonna save someone this time. Ever thought about getting some training at your Tokyo? My shot always finds the target.
So we have played the games using the Mobile Legend, and it takes about just 2% of battery, about 5 minutes. And let's check the battery, and it is rise about 2 degrees. Okay, very nice. It's not very hot, from 36 degrees Celsius to 38 or 14 if I'm not mistaken. 40 I mean. So it just take more for 4 degree. It's not very hot. Okay, very nice. So we can do an ultra settings 60 fps on the Realme 5 using the QASSA custom ROM. Okay, that's all guys. So I already show you how to fast custom recovery, custom ROM, that's all the stuff, pure safety net and other stuff, and also test the game using Mobile Legend. I hope it helps you, and if you have any question, feel free to ask in the comment section. Okay, all the file and step I will provide in my blog. You can check the link in the description box, and if you're feeling helpful, you can always check the link for PayPal and Saweria. Okay, thanks, see you in the next video. Wassalamualaikum.